Hi guys, my name is Tony and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video we have this 5-bedroom house, 3-car garage, 3 bathrooms. Before we enter the house, we'd like to first thank Mr. Dumile and Dragon Pride for giving us this opportunity to tour this beautiful house in Centurion. This house is currently up on the market for 4.3 million rands. So this is what 4.3 million can get you in Centurion. But anyways, before we enter the house, we are first welcomed by this lovely green environment here. As you can see, the grass was cut very nicely by that side. I don't know if it's the grass or anything, but even here it's all cut nicely. You know, I really love this area because you can play soccer, you can chill with your friends or your kids or anything. And before we show you the inside of the house, we have this water fountain. I wanted to show you first this beautiful space here. Besides the 3-car garage, you can also park maybe 2 cars here, so you really have big space here. So now we can enter the house now. As you enter this house, beautiful house, 5-bedroom house, we are firstly welcomed by this artistic, I'm not sure if it's a chair or a stool, but we are firstly welcomed by this artistic chair. These are my first impressions already, and also we have this toilet right here for your guest, so your guest can do their things in here. So we can do the other things in here. And we have this upstairs leading to the bedrooms, but you're gonna go there later on. And we are also welcomed by this beautiful chandelier lights here. And I really love this thing because, you know, when I leave the house, I can firstly check myself here. We are also welcomed by this nice, lovely mirror. And welcome to the dining room area. This is where you and your family can gather here, do your meetings here, eat here. This is the place where you actually gather. As it written there, this is the place where you actually gather. You gather here to eat your dinner, to eat your lunch and everything. And another thing I love about this house is this beautiful kitchen island. This part. I really love this island kitchen here. This kitchen actually has so much space. You can do a family gathering here with your family and you'd still have space. I don't know how to explain this, but I hope you get what I'm trying to say. You also have this laundry room right here, this side. This is where you do your laundry and this is where you wash your clothes, basically. As we enter this side leads to the car garage, which I'm gonna show you later on in the video. And as we enter, this is one of the car garage here, but there's a lot of things here that's going on. I don't wanna show you that part. But as you can see, they're washing laundry here. You're also welcomed by this green nature. I really love this green. It's like trees everywhere. It's very nice. It's very quiet. It's the tranquility. I'm not sure if I'm saying the word right, but I really love what I'm seeing here. As we enter this side, we have this living room right here. So you and your friends can chill here or sit, or your family. You could do chillings here. You play games right here. You do whatever you want right here, basically. You with your family, or you watch TV. You watch TV this side. And as you can see, maybe this side, you can put a display of your family things here in this side. As you can see, let's go to the other side. So this is the entertainment area where you and your friends could chill. Or I'd say it's the seating room. Actually, it is the entertainment area. As you can see, we have, what is this called? You can do your braai right here. And yeah, man, you can chill with your friends, party. You can do your parties here or host your family gatherings right here. And then this is where maybe you'd like to read your books. You just take a chill and like you just thinking or you reading your books or doing whatever you want to do. Actually, this is very comfortable. This is very comfortable. But anyways, yeah. So I forgot to mention this place. This used to be the area where they play pool here. As you can see, they used to have this. They moved the pool table to this table. This place was the place where they actually play pool. And let's check out outside. As you come outside, you also again welcomed by this green, earthy feeling here. It's like here you can like do your yoga here. You can meditate, do your yoga, or if you just want to be alone, you can just be here. This is very nice. This is green. Green, I love green. When I see earthly stuff, like that's me. And also you have this beautiful pool. It's like I'm kidding. Also, when you with your family or your friends, you can also things now. But this is very nice actually. I love this. This is where you can also sit here with your family. Another thing I ever noticed is that I'm not sure what's that for. Let me just go see. I think this was a water fountain. Let's get inside now and check out the upstairs. Before we go upstairs, we have this. Also, I call it a study room, or it could be your office. This is an office. This could be an office. As you can see, we have the printer right here. You can like do your business right here. You can work from home. I know most of you guys work from home. This could be your area where you make money. As you can see, another art too. This is where you have your DVDs, music. This is a music collection. Because we have Aretha Franklin, Ben King, Otis Redding. This is a music collection, as you can see. Now we go into the first bedroom, and the first bedroom is actually here downstairs. Come follow me to the bedroom. This is the primary bedroom. I really like this bedroom because it's very spacious. As you can see, it has very huge space, and also we have this beautiful art piece and this air conditioner. This is very spacious. Please don't mind the clothes here because the owner of the house was already packing. And also we have this beautiful walk-in closet. This walk-in closet is very huge. Damn, it's like very huge. I don't know what you think, guys, but this walk-in closet is very huge. This is the bathroom. This is the first bathroom also. Actually, this bathroom has a shower inside. Come on in. I'm not sure how do you really open this, but this is the first. This is the shower, and you have the bathtub and the toilet right there. There's nothing much I can say honestly, but it is. To be honest, I kind of like this because it's also very spacious too. And you also have two choices. In a very good day, you can wake up and just use the shower, and another day you can just use the bathtub. I also kind of like this, but it has space. I really like space. I'm a huge fan of space. As you can see also, this walk-in closet is very spacious too. As I was speaking about space, this is very spacious too. Now let's go to the upstairs to go check out the other bedrooms and the balcony.
Alright, what I'm talking about.
We are now upstairs. First thing before I show you the sitting lounge, I wanted to show you this view first. As you can see, this is a beautiful view, and you can also see the neighborhood right there. What's happening outside, as you can see. This is the sitting room. or lounge, sitting lounge. This is where you actually play games with your family, or you can do other things. You can just sit here and do your things. I wanted to show you the balcony too. This feels nice. The air, the air here is also very nice. As you can see, the trees, everything, the view. As you can see, I really love this balcony because I can see the mountains. Other side, I can see some few stuff. I really love this view. This is actually a beautiful view. I'm not sure what you think, guys, but very peaceful. It's very peaceful here. And also, I forgot to mention the first bedroom we saw is downstairs, and then the other bedrooms, they're all open up to the balconies. Bedroom. This is the second bedroom, and this is the third, and the fourth. The fifth one is the other side, which is the guest bedroom. This is the first bedroom. This is the first bedroom. When you enter the first bedroom, what I really love on these bedrooms is the fitted wardrobes. You see, every bedroom here has the fitted wardrobes. I really love that. And as I said earlier, the bedroom opens up to the balcony. So this is the door to the balcony. This is very simple. This is the second bathroom. So the first bathroom was on the primary bedroom downstairs. This is the second bathroom. This one, the space is huge also here. As you can see, you have two choices. You can either use your shower here, or you can use your bathtub here. And you have your two sink tubs. Also, you have your mirror here. This is very huge. It's very spacious. And then on the other side, you have your third bedroom on this other side. And then before you see the fourth bedroom, we have this linen closet on the hall right here. Let's come and see. Wanted to show you this. This is where you can put your stuff here also. I'm not sure if you can see this properly. I love this. And then you have the fourth bathroom. As you can see, actually, let's not enter this one because the owner was busy, was a little bit busy here, so we cannot disturb him. But as you can see, his bedroom has his own shower too, bathroom too. So he also has the two choices. So you can either use the shower or the bathtub here. But let's not dwell in this too much. And let me show you the other room. This is the last bedroom. This is actually a guest bedroom, but you can also turn it into a bedroom for your family members. And also this bedroom has a built-in cupboard too, wardrobe too. I really love it. As I'm saying, one thing I've noticed, all the bedrooms here have built-in wardrobes, and they're also very spacious and big too. That's really one thing I like. This is the door to the garage, which is outside. In this garage we have this is the 2-car garage, and the other garage is that side, so you can park 3 cars here, 1 there and 2 here. So I'm gonna show you the garage on the later of the videos. Yeah man, this is the 2-car garage this side. The other car you can park it this side. This is the 2-car garage. You can park your car, and please don't mind this because the owner, as I said before, the owner is already packing their stuff so they can leave the house. But anyways, unfortunately this is the end of the video. I'm really happy on doing the house tour, so I really hope you enjoyed the video too. I'd really like to thank Mr. Dumile Shongwe and John Pride Realty for giving us this opportunity to do a house tour of this house. This house is now currently on the market for 4.3 million rands. So if you're looking to purchase this house, please make sure you contact Dragon Pride. The link is gonna be down on the description below, and the numbers too is gonna be down on the description below. And also, if you're looking to buy or sell property or lease out property, please make sure you contact Dragon Pride Realty. The link is gonna be on the description. But anyways, have a blessed day.